Draw trigonometric graphs. Before drawing these graphs, there is one formula you should know. There is, in case of y equals sine n theta, its period is 2 pi over n. So, in case of question 1, y equals sine theta, n equals 1, therefore its period is 2 pi over 1 is 2 pi. Its period is 1. Equation 1, question 1 and question 2, sine 2 theta, y equals sine 2 theta, and 2 pi over n equals 2. Therefore, pi. Yes, its period is pi. And question 3 is 2 pi over 3. Yeah, this is the one period. It is 120 degree because pi is 180. 2 times 180 over 3 is 120 degree. Okay, and let's draw each graph. Equation 1 and this one. Its period, what is its period? 2 pi, sorry, this one is theta. Its period is 2 pi. Therefore, let's draw theta axis, theta, and y axis, and 2 pi, one period, 2 pi is, you should divide it into 4 by 4 quadrants. Therefore, this one, the half, the middle point is a half, therefore pi, and this one is pi on 2, and this one is 3 pi on 2. Okay, and first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, and sine theta start from intersect 0. This one, and decrease and increase. Okay, this is plus 1, this is minus 1, and this range is called frequency. This range is amplitude. You must memorize this. Okay, so let's draw question 2. Let's draw question 2. Y equals sine 2 theta. Y equals sine 2 theta. Its period 2 pi over 2, therefore its period pi. Okay, let's draw. This one, theta axis and y axis. Its period pi. This one is pi, and this domain should be divided by 4 quadrants, and therefore this one is middle point, pi on 2, and this one is pi on 4, and pi on 2 plus pi on 4 is 4, 2, 3 pi on 4. 3 pi on 4. Okay, and one period is maximum point, y value, and minimum point, and increase. Okay, and you should extend it because its domain is given, this one. Okay, and 2 pi. And pi plus pi on 4, pi plus pi on 4 equal 4 pi, 5 pi on 4. 5 pi on 4. And this one, pi on 4 plus 6 pi on 4. And this one, 7 pi on 4. Okay. Therefore, okay. This is plus 1. This is minus 1. Okay. Question 3. Y equals sine 3 theta. Its period 2 pi on 3. This is the same as 2 times 180 over 3 equals 180 divided by 3, 60, 120 degree. Let's draw its graph. Theta axis and y axis. Y axis. And approximately this point is 120. And extend it to 40 and this one 360 because its domain is theta is between 0 and 2 pi, 360. Okay, and one period should be divided into 4. And this is 60 degree, this is 30, this is 90 degree. The one sector is 30 degree. Therefore, we can deduce this one 150 and 180 and 210. Okay, and this one 30 plus 270 and 300 and 330. Okay. This is one period. Let's draw its graph. Sine 3 theta and okay, and repeatedly 240 and okay, and sine 3 theta graph repeatedly. Draw sine 3 theta. Okay, this one is y equal sine 3 theta. And if we are asked to find theta, sine 3 theta equals 0.1 half. Find theta and draw y equals half. Y equals half. the x value, 6 x values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We should decide its first angle. This one is 30 degree. This one is 30 degree. This one 30 degree, but 3 theta equal 30 degree. Therefore, one angle is 10 degree. This is 10 degree. So this one is 50 degree. And this one is 120, 130. 130, 10 degree, 50 degree, 10 degree, 130, 130, and this is 170, and this is 240, 250, 250, 250, and this one 300 minus 10, 290. Okay, therefore theta is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. Finish. If you are asked to find its answer in pi radian, use the ratio like this: 10 degree x equals 180 degree pi. It is ratio. Therefore 180x equal 10 degree pi, cancel. Therefore x equal pi on 18. Okay, the next one, 50 degree. 50 degree x equal 180 degree pi. 180x equals 50 pi. Therefore x equals 5 pi on 18. The easy. The 130 degree. 130 degree x equals 180 degree pi, and 180x equal 130 pi. Therefore x equals 13 pi over 18. You can do it like this.